3 mure van Kosie Baai is daar nie baie om te sê nie. Daar's net baie om te kyk. Ons het fisies op die meer gaan ry. Die gids het ons sekere dinge vertel. Ons het gesnorkel daarso. Daarna vanaf is ons weer terug na die mond toe. Op by die mond. Het ons 'n bietjie foto geneem van al die mere in die mond in, daar by die see bietjie gaan snorkel. Geniet dit. Geniet elke oomblik daarvan.
Alright, so good morning.
Good morning.
I say Sanbonani, do you understand that? People die because of peoples in a year in Africa.
Yeah.
Mosquito is number one. About a million of people. Just take a note, there's one coming to us here, at least 1 o'clock from where we are. So underneath, like he says, they don't swim, they don't float. Wherever they are walking. So they can run about 20 kilometers an hour in the water. Right here.
Yeah.
Ja, ja. Ik moet nog puur op de stad. Is dit?
How long is this channel? 2.8.
Crossover, at least 7 kilometers from this side to get to high school. So our school's this side, which is South Africa. We'll talk about Kosi Bay. They open on Tuesday. So this is the first day at school today. They're already starting today. So if they're coming back with the groceries in town, they don't have a choice but to turn from here to the top. I want you guys to go, do you have fish truck? But we chat about them on the sign there, which is at number between 2 and 1 in Channel B. Just so to explain to you exactly what's happening about this fish truck, how the fish going up. For now we're going across. But if you're looking ahead, you still remember the wet Matunyama? You know what that means? What do you do about it?
Yes, Matunyama so much.
Matunyama is a black color.
Ah, it's a black color?
Black
Yes.
color,
Ah, okay.
Yes. A little bit further in, up east from there, it's just like 18 springs.
Okay. It's built from the...
From the branches and they put it there, the algae will grow on it and one thing.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so what do you think?
The first fish swim in but can't get out.
Yes, there's only one way.
Only one way, that's
Yes.
correct, yeah.
Yes.
And you as you can see that there's a heart shape. You see it? Before the jaw there's a heart shape.
Yeah.
So that's another way. So if you look this way, if this swim on the side that there's that line from cabin to the shower, it will be bouncing there and you swim.
My name is Rick Statter from Safari and Surf. We're here at Cozy Bay Mouth. We run snorkeling tours here on a daily basis in an area known as the aquarium. We've just returned and we saw probably about 80 to 100 different species of fish this afternoon. So very, very nice and diverse. Come join us anytime. Cost for the trip is $350 per person, and it's about a 2-hour experience.
Video gaan wees oor die voorbereiding vir die Portugese Camino en die begin daarvan. So ek het so 'n paar foto's geplaas om net vir julle te wys ek's op pad na die Portugese Camino toe en als daar omtrent die voorbereiding en die visum en al daai goeders. Geniet die dag. Tot die volgende keer.